go, buddy. Look at this fireplace. Very nice. A view of the lake. Nice. Okay, get in. Going down.
Like.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Just
One.
like boat lights.
Yeah.
They're like the boat lights.
Very nice.
Because they flash.
Okay. There we go.
They flash.
There you go. In here first. I know, it's very crowded.
People are going water.
Let's see. Hey, look at one. Alright, we gotta wait for the other ones. Alright, last one. Just push the button. I'm gonna wash your hands. Yeah. Okay. Green. Green. What's it do? Red. Red for closing, do you see? Okay. It's a Dover.
Cool.
There we go. Alright, just let it close. And see where it goes automatically. Nowhere, just stays. And then you go ahead, press some buttons. Sounds like it's going.
That's the other.
That's interesting. This is elevator 2.
Like the other elevator was 1.
Oh yeah? This is back to the lobby. We'll do more exploring on the first floor. Alright.
We're flying away.
Whoa. So bird.
Yeah, really fast. Good.
Oh yeah. There's the beach.
Oh yeah, see the beach.
Alright, let's walk.
Yep.
Wait for me, please. I know you're very excited. Go ahead. You can press the button. Going down. Whoa, look at this view. Beautiful. Oh, that was fast. That's a fast one. Yeah. Okay, this is elevator 1.
I meant 3. You meant 3.
Oh, elevator 3. That's funny. So the service, the secret one we can't see, must be elevator 1. Because the other one said elevator 2. Okay, take it all the way down to 1. And then we'll take it back up to L. All the way down.
It's so fast.
Yeah. Alright, here we go.
Mom,
Yeah?
any elevators that just drops it?
Alright, wait. Going back up. Going back up to L. And then maybe our food is ready.
I think it's kind of orange for clothing.
Oh, yeah.
White means
Okay, here we are.
what?
Let's see this way.
And sometimes,
Oh, yeah. Look at this.
why doesn't it go off to the table, Mom?
This has got the rocks around it. We're having a sunset dinner.
It always likes.
Very
The
nice.
sun does walks.
Oh, yeah. All right, look at Mom and say bye-bye, YouTube.
Bye bye, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.